Okay, issues. If he is not joined, then we will continue, no issues.
Okay.
So that when I sign out, even we will save the network.
No, but
He's there.
I think we can.
He's joined.
I think we can. I wonder why.
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's a lot of disturbance. Yesterday it was clear. Disturbance. Yesterday it was clear.
Actually, what happened, this time suddenly the construction people are getting down and they're even top of my floor. So that is the disturbance I'm getting, or any other disturbance you are getting?
No, but it's too bad. Too bad. Can't
Muted.
can't hear
Unmuted.
properly.
Let's see.
Muted.
I can forward you. So we can check out the content as our we schedule our sessions. Okay. If you could have someone Skype this, because this meeting is ended, this mails will gone off. The only no issues. So narvi7@yahoo.com. Meantime, I'll show you this content. As we yesterday discussed this regarding this content. That project is there, but I'm not in that project. TPM is different of integrations for TPM. And that is the sector. If the project, then TPM project will come picture. Okay. See here, we are discussing our 7.0 version. See introduction of this all things we saw. What is R3, those all things. This thing like what is introduction of CRM overview, what are the functionalities are there, and submodules we saw, marketing, sales and service, and we saw integrations like the architecture picture in the last session. So as I teach to the students. Okay, I'm far only. Is it? Now? Imran. Open. Okay. There are very well implementation project and support project. So in this implementation project, again we have upgradation project as well as standalone project and rollout project. So here the upgradation projects, like here our client is Apple, we are implementing CRM to Apple. As Apple is already implemented ECC, now they are going for CRM implementation, because CRM is a different server. So like this server can implement for the need based of the organization. Like your organization, that means your client Apple is the need based, like they want to find out a potential customer and acquisition the customer and retaining the customer. So for these three main objective of their need based, then they will go for CRM, one stop solution for the maintaining a good relationship with the customers. So in these type of projects you involve, they you call as upgradation project. Standalone project like Apple is implemented, other ECC like JD Edwards, BAM or any other Oracle ERP, so they are implemented. Now they are going for SAP CRM. This type of projects we call as standalone project. As surrounding there is no SAP product, so that is the reason it's called as standalone project. Why? Because after completing the course, if you are if you went to any interview, so first of all they will ask you what is your role of the CRM functional consultant. So you simply say that customization and configuration of client requirement. Okay, the functional consultant job is customization and configuration of as per the client requirements of marketing, sales and service, whichever the segment, whichever the functionality you are working on that group. So you will say like that. But what project right now you are handling? So you may tell that I am working on implementation project. Well, very good, like you are working on implementation project, but what is that implement project? Whether you are working on upgradation or standalone or rollout project. So rollout projects are nothing but your client Apple is implemented CRM, SAP CRM to UK. Now they are going to implement an SAP CRM, same Apple company in India. So these type of projects are nothing but rollout projects. So in these projects, if you involve for implementation, then we can say that I am working on rollout projects. So this is the way the concept comes as a technical consultant here. If anyone here, we have two roles, CRM functional consultant and CRM technical consultant. Here, if anyone want to become a technical consultant, CRM having two roles. One is functional consultant role and technical consultant role. The functional consultant role is that who need to his job customization and configuration of client requirements. The CRM technical consultant, whereas his environment technical consultant means you need to learn as well as there is a technical consultant CRM technical course. So he need to get thorough with all these three modules, then he becomes a CRM technical consultant. Along with that, if you want to become a techno-functional consultant, then he can learn functional consultant also. But whereas in the ECC environment, who knows ABAP, OOPS, even now there is a WebDrawing Pro for ECC who want to be upgraded their technical knowledge. Here we have two roles, functional, technical. So CRM tech, because this environment is different environment, like this is a different server. So we will not rely on adapter in the ECC, like MM can depend on adapter, FI can depend on adapter, HR will depend on adapter. Likewise here CRM functional consultant only will be there in the front end. The back end enhancements and developments will be done by CRM technical consultant. Okay, so that is the reason a technical consultant after 5 years or 4 years of that experience can become a functional consultant, because where the adapter may not become a techno-functional consultant, because sometimes you are working on MM applications, sometimes you are working on SD applications, SD tables, MM tables, sometimes you are working supporting to the HR tables, but you can't be proficient with one function module. But here a technical consultant in future can become a techno-functional consultant after 5 years or 6 years with his interest levels, because always you are supporting to the one functional consultant. So the business process he can analyze from where to where going. Okay. I know you are from UK. I lived in London. 3 years I lived in London. Where you live? Are you from Manchester? Hounslow. Okay. And lot of Indians is there in Hounslow, yeah. I know. The Telugu guy who come on the first, Mr. Ramesh from Hyderabad, who has come from the first guy who lived in Hounslow. Almost 9 years he stayed. Now he came back 4 years back. He came back to Hyderabad for good and he went to Australia. I am working for TCS. You know Mr. Ramesh? He is my friend. Yeah, little boy. He worked in TV also. TV anchor. Telugu TV, Mana Telugu is there now? Yes. You are from basically England? Which location? Yes, Kumar Vipur. You are from Bangalore, okay. Okay. So I lived around from 2007 to 2011 I was there. Ramesh is now a PM consultant. Oh, great. Lot of people are there from Hyderabad. Hounslow, East Ham. Even now I am looking for any work permit.
Okay. Hey, Raj, it is quite difficult now. At the moment, it's very difficult.
Okay. Yes, Raj, it is quite difficult now. At the moment, it's very difficult.
They have stopped.
Yeah, the same question, the same answer given by so many fields.
Yeah, because that's a fact.
Yeah.
That's a fact.
Yeah, because that's a fact.
Okay.
And moreover, UK the market is really bad.
And moreover, UK the market is really bad.
Okay.
It's almost 9 months that I have not worked.
Oh my goodness. So see, the days when we are, you can't believe per day they are going to pay £900.
Gone are the days. now the
Yeah.
company is paying, if you're contracting, there are contracts coming up for £150 also, and people are running after it. It's like that.
Really, even one of my
Yeah.
friends charge 1200 pounds per day, but we only charge 600, 700 because he's very senior guy, around 10 years of experience, 10 to 11. So technical is always there in market, guy. Technical is always demand.
Technical is okay, but if you're functional,
Okay. But if
not
you're
much.
functional,
No, you had some openings for CRM, IS utilities you had, and you have one in TPM.
Yeah, I know, Empower project.
one is
Yeah,
TPM.
yeah.
But
Lot
then-
of project Empower, IBM for IBM Empower projects.
Okay. I used to work with IBM earlier.
Okay.
But,
Lot of my friends are in Leeds.
lead, yeah? They're
Yeah.
working as team leads or in leads at the place?
So we all are the place Leeds.
Okay.
Lead only, right?
Yeah.
LEADS.
Yeah. Which project are they working on?
Empower project.
Okay.
ISU.
Oh,
CRM ISU.
okay. I also have another friend.
Now most of the projects are ISU.
His name is Praveen Rupala. He used to work for IBM.
Okay. Oh, lot of people are there, man. Lot
Yeah.
of people. They come and go, that's it.
Now I believe the second
So-
language of Andhra guys has become ABAP.
Really, I know that. Absolutely.
So Raj, this one,
We live in her. Yes, tell me.
I have been working on SD. Yeah. Now SD, there's not much happening.
Okay.
There's not much happening. There's no money.
Yes, I know.
There's no money. Nothing. And that's the reason why I wanted to get into CRM. I have a fair idea about CRM. Okay. But I want to know from a job perspective.
Good. Then that is no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that at least I can use this time to say, okay, I've been working on something on CRM, and I can try to get it.
That's great in that. No. I'll teach the same way, like as you consider a client, like as why you take an Apple means like Apple, Nokia, or telecom industry or any other industry. So you can take any industry with the same process. I teach the students like the project is started from the day one, like how we can gather the requirements, then how we can start up the customization, because the first two phases you know very well, like that is on job like planning and preparation, and later we preparing blueprint, and the functional specs we prepare when we have any enhancements or any other
Raj,
new thing. You know that.
The only problem is getting in. Once you get in, you can swim. You can because no one is
Yes, I
working
know.
on the whole CRM package. Okay, but you need to have a fair
Absolutely,
idea.
guys.
Yeah.
So you are
You need to have a fair
Yeah.
idea about what you're getting into. You need to crack the interview. That's the only thing. Once you crack the interview, once you are on the job,
yes.
you can swim. You can swim.
Then
That's not a problem. Yeah. So that's the main thing.
you can crack I'll train you up. Okay, because I'll give you every overview of all the applications, how where it will go, and you will be getting the idea of all the application as well as the customization steps and basic functions. See, you can relate. The only thing is that you need to relate what objects you are keeping in your resume. Okay?
Here
Hello?
you'll have to keep changing the
Are you getting me?
yeah. As per the job.
Yes.
As per the job you have to keep changing it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
You need to tailor make.
yeah.
You need to tailor make.
The kind of interview question they ask is mostly, okay, tell me what you have been doing. First thing. Okay. On CRM.
Yes.
What is your daily life? And the second one they will ask is, okay, tell me about the interface you had with CRM.
Tell me about any interface
Or
that you
maybe
had
pick
with
up
CRM.
one, say like supposing you're going for campaign management.
Say like
Tell
supposing
me
you're
about
going
one
for campaign
campaign.
management.
How did you
Tell me
customize?
about one campaign. How did you customize? How did you configure?
So all these kind of questions, it's more practical. It's not textbook. It's unlike what we have in India, where they ask you, okay, tell me where the tick is. Okay, what will happen if you remove the tick? So here it is not like that. Here they ask you more about what is happening. Yeah, what is your
Here it is not that.
I know.
More about what is your knowledge.
Why did you come back, Raj? Why did you come back?
What did you
I have 2 kids. My mother-in-law is expired. My father-in-law got a suddenly heart attack. So the only daughter is my wife. So I have 2 sons. So she need to take care of his father, and she is also so much of become depressed about her mother lost, and take care of children, 2 sons, and she need to work also.
That's sad, man.
So I thought to, okay, let me come up, because bringing even my brother-in-law is in UK only, he is earning very much, like 60,000 pounds per annum. He is willing.
Where is he?
So I lost the opportunity. Now all my friends are they are in very good.
What is it? What is okay?
He is in Aldgate. He is in Aldgate. First he is staying in Aldgate. Now he is in Thames.
Your brother-in-law?
Yeah, he is in Thames.
No.
Nearer to Thames.
No, most probably I think with the change in government.
Okay guys, so that is the thing. So your family,
there will be change in visa, regulations.
sorry?
There will be change in visa
Regulations, yeah. They might need
Relations.
more people. Yeah, they might need more people. They might start some scheme. Just
Not
like
in
what we
I didn't
had.
get you.
See, now the government here in UK is a coalition government. Okay.
See, now the government here in UK is a coalition government.
Yes.
So these people, what they do is they want to have tighter immigration controls. That's the reason why they're stopping all the skilled migrants.
Stopping all the skilled migrants.
Okay.
But when the new government, when the new government changes, there will be again new changes coming.
Yes.
Yeah. So most probably at that time, it's just a matter of what, 6
So most probably at that time,
I think there will be some kind of change.
Okay. Even if your Cameron is registered in last month, he was like open for for business people, like 1 day visa who are coming for business purpose, any other trade purpose. Then within 1 day, 24 hours visa should be issued.
That's correct. Because
And
these guys
there is
don't
no
have money.
cap for students.
That's correct. Because these guys don't have money.
Yes. Now students, there is no cap. Like earlier they had a quota, like these many students only need to come. Now there is no cap for students.
Right, Raj,
So as much as students can come. But
find out,
Raj,
yeah,
if suppose your wife joins as a student, then
if
you
supposing
become a
the wife
dependent
joins as a student, then
Yeah.
you become a dependent.
and you can work.
yeah.
You can work,
And you can work.
you can contract. Okay, just
You can
find out if
work, you can contract.
that is there.
Okay, just find out
That is there.
that
Then probably,
that is there.
she can just go naam ke vaste, she can go
Just go
to some college
Okay,
for
but
attendance.
she can go to some college for attendance.
But then
Okay,
that's
अच्छी बात है.
the short term one.
But then that's the short term. That's the short term one.
Let's see. Because again kids know that is the main problem.
No, but here I feel it is better.
Here, I feel it's better. No?
Yeah.
See, the education is free. Medical is
See, the education is free.
Yeah, I know.
Medical is free.
I know. NHS.
yeah. So for the kids, what is the most expensive
So for the kids, what is the most expensive
education?
education?
Yes. So you brought your family over there? Are you married?
Yeah, I've got 2 kids.
Yeah, I've got 2 kids.
Okay. How old are they? Is this your another friend who joined is your friend or any other relative?
Mohsin.
Mohsin.
Yeah, Mohsin.
Mohsin is my younger brother.
Mohsin is my younger brother.
Okay.
He's the youngest. He's the youngest of all. Yeah?
Good man.
He's the youngest. He's the youngest of all.
So he is also SD.
Yeah.
He is also working on SD.
Yes.
Good man. We all family become a SD SAP family.
I have another sister who works on ABAP and Web.Info. She used
Good
to
man.
work, she used to work for SAP.
Then yeah, you can learn technical easily.
No man, ABAP, it doesn't go into my head.
No, man.
That is your required passion, man. Passion.
Because my background is mechanical. I have never
Okay.
I've never done programming. I find it difficult.
Nothing. Even I also initially, honestly, now I am working on technical.
Difficult.
Earlier I'm also the same perception, but few days when I was working with ABAP, I feel very interested. Then I started because who want to become a CRM technical, then you need to get OOPS. So without OOPS, nothing for CRM technical. So that is a sake. Here CRM technical is all the user interface is different as WebView user interface. So all the objects used when programming should be on a shortcut. Shortcut means we need to use different functions, call function. So shortcut functions, whatever the program is written above around 500 lines or 200 lines, here we can simplify that within 50 lines or 30 lines. With OOPS. So that reusability is there in OOPS. That means same program you can reuse and you can insert more the other same program. Because see, this is the field you want to be this notepad. The same thing you want in the next slide. So all the top order is the same. Then you can say again no need to write this program. You can copy the same things in this other program. Then insert the whatever the changes of that particular. Then you can shorten your program. That is OOPS. you hear me? Hello?
Raj, I can
Okay.
hear you. I just muted because when I unmute, it gives a lot
See,
of
what about...
disturbance.
I can hear you. I just muted.
Yeah.
When I unmute, it gives a lot of disturbance.
Okay. That's what Imran. See, because going forward, we need to be together. That is the reason I wasted this 20 minutes because of to communicate each other, make some build up a relationship.
Yeah. There is another thing that is catching up. Salesforce Cloud Computing. What is that? You have any clue on that? Salesforce.
Yeah, that is. Yeah. That is also a CRM application. Salesforce is for medium companies, SME, small and medium enterprises. By developing the web page, like one interface, they have an interface, Salesforce interface. But the concept of the Salesforce interface is like see Gmail. You are working on Gmail, your whatever the data of your data, your personal emails, everything where it's storing in a server. Like where that server Gmail is storing in some other place, but not in your place, but means in your mobile or in your laptop. So that is cloud computing. Same thing, the company enterprises also don't want to keep their all the infrastructure and the software and these all things. Just they can take from the who are supporting from the like SAP. User IDs will provide by the SAP to the IBM or TCS anywhere. So likewise here also Salesforce will provide to the enterprises IDs, super user, power user, likewise their admin ID, likewise users will be there. The employees working on that users and the data, everything will be stored in there who are providing the Salesforce server. Like now you can accessing this SAP CRM, the remote server is located in India, but you are working on here through logon pad, you are working through remote logon, isn't it? So server is someplace, but you can use here. So the same way the cloud computing is nothing but server, everything infrastructure you don't require, like virtual offices. How is there in UK? So many virtual offices. Yeah, likewise this cloud computing is also very demandable, but that you need to go for that thing, you need to get these things my dear friend. You need to start up like a programmer who are very good at Java. They can go for Salesforce. First they need to start as a developer, then go for a basis. How your basis? Their administrator, then administrator, then they will make you consultant. So there are around 6 certifications over there. Even developer also, developer 1, developer 2, administrator 1, administrator 2, consultant 1 and consultant 2, higher level. So that is the reason even they have, you need to be a programmer initially if you want to go Salesforce, or else you need to go directly to the admin. If you are very good at basis like in SAP, then their admin also, whatever the users, just now I told you, the users are there. Those users, what permissions you need to, what authorizations you need to permit for that particular super user, power user or end user. Likewise, there also you need to give permissions. Those users will develop that as per the client requirement application. So they will use that. That enterprise will use day-to-day purpose of their enterprises in different devices. So that is the reason Salesforce Cloud Computing. So my schedule is Imran, I come at 5:45, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock I will take your session. 7 to 8 I have a session, and I take only evenings because of here in Andhra Pradesh lot of power cuts. Around 6 hours is the power cut. So early morning 6:30 the power may come at 11:30 might be. Then afterwards 1 o'clock it may go. Then it will come at 5:40. 5:40 is the power comes. Or sometimes 6:30 also may comes. We can't expect. That worst here government is working. And moreover there are lot of Telangana issues. So that is the reason I am taking classes on evening. So as the requested of this SAP Edge people, so I took the first class of yours 6 to 7. Then later 7 to 8 US students are there, and 8 to 9 is the if some other any other doubts or any other people will come. Sometimes students, sometimes I will be free, and 9 to 9 I have breakfast. Hours again some students will call me at 10 o'clock. So that is the reason I made you a schedule at 6 to 7. So for you also it's afternoon I believe. If I am not wrong. So for your time, this time I need to rush for you people are waiting, that is the reason I am rushing to come in the traffic. Anyway, no issues. We schedule every day 6 to 7. Today I will come in the roof, so I will come on roof and I will take you sessions every day. So as I will send you content to your email ID, as per that content I will teach you a standalone project. Like what you need to start up when there is no ECC, and as well as we will discuss about how to download the objects of when SD to CRM, HR to CRM, and MM to what are the objects we need to be used as a job oriented, because you are not like a student. So I live far from the Hyderabad, around 40 kilometers. So that is the reason. Yeah, even me too a student there.
Sir,
I am also a student.
in SAP,
IT guys always a students.
Yeah.
In SAP, everyone is a student.
Yeah, IT.
That's correct.
IT means they are students till their life ends.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's
The
correct.
only thing is you need to make that audio better.
Another thing is you need to make the audio better.
Sure, dude. Absolutely. That I need to go far from the mic or what, I don't understand.
No, yesterday there was someone taking a class, and it was very clear. It was very clear. Yeah, the problem
When?
is
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Sunday?
Yesterday. Yesterday was what? Monday, right?
Okay.
Yeah. There was some
Yes,
lady
yes.
who took a class. Yeah. And it was pretty clear. Very clear. Why don't you check your settings?
Is it from Sure. Is it from CRM?
Yeah, yes. For
The same CRM?
Yeah, yeah. CRM.
Oh. A
It was
different company or this company? Same company?
same company. Same company only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. Her name was Indu. Yeah.
Are you attending two sessions or a single session, ma'am?
No, I've just attended one session. That too, I didn't attend the session. I joined in very late because I was out. But I could make out that the noise was very, what she was talking was very clear, and I didn't have a problem like what we had.
No, because she is in city. I come from 40 kilometers from the far, so I live in rear. It's here 3G is also not works. Only 2G the work network. Even though it's better, but the problem is that all the people in the 6 o'clock and one more thing, I'm doing construction on the top of my floor. All the material stuff will come on the evening, so that is the reason it's lot of noise. That is the reason I'm feeling very bad. I apologize for that, for making the disturbance.
But is it going to be better? Because it doesn't make sense for us to...
is it going to be better? Because it doesn't make sense for us
to keep repeating and repeating.
Yeah. Now, the session is okay now, that audio and all? Now
it is much better. It is much better.
It is much better. It is much better.
But it
okay,
can
so
be,
we can continue in this.
But it can be more.
Yeah.
It can be more once if I shift to the city only.
Oh. Are you taking this class from your house?
Are you taking this class from your house?
Yes, obviously. I come from the house and I am sitting in my roof.
Okay.
In dark.
Oh, is it?
Okay.
I don't know how when things are going to improve in India.
When things are going to improve in India.
Yeah. Okay. Really very bad, man. So here my place, even in city 4 hours power cut, here 6 hours power cut.
So,
Are you there?
yeah. What do we do about...
So, are you attending for regular sessions?
What do we do about trade promotion?
Yeah, that is totally a TPM is different module. Like you need to learn a separate course, my dear friend. This is not linked with any other functionalities.
It's not under CRM.
It's not under CRM.
It's under CRM in the marketing module.
Yeah.
It is integrated to marketing, BI, BW, and that particular is a specific concept you can learn just as in a normal way, then that is not useful for TPM. You need to be integrated with, TPM should be integrated with other ECC as well as BW, fund management, everything should be required. That will not be, I don't know honestly, but people who are very few, less who teach in that way, because TPM is different segment, loyalty management is different segment, campaign management is different segment. So CRM you will get a functionalities like marketing, sales and service. TPM is total separate implementation for the enterprises.
So, what do you say? Do we start today or do you want to start tomorrow?
What do you say? Do we start today or do you want to start tomorrow?
Even yesterday's class...
yeah, we can start tomorrow.
Even yesterday's
was not very clear. We could not make out what happened. The one that we had on maybe Sunday, right?
I know. Even I called them like, I told them like even Sunday or Monday I can ready to take another session for them, because I really very sorry about that, because I feel very bad because of me. Yeah, I'm wasting your time.
Yeah.
I know how important time now. in
Yeah.
UK?
Not a problem, because see,
India में तो चलता है यार.
if we say 1
इंडिया में
hour,
तो 10-12 बोले तो भी आप.
yeah, it should be effective 1 hour. It should be effective 1 hour. We should not spend time saying, okay, I can't hear you, or something like that. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
So probably if you can just mail me the content, I'll go through it. We'll just go in for one session, and then probably if things are better with the sound quality and stuff, and I'm convinced we'll start ahead. Yeah.
Sure, Imran. The same. I'll sit tomorrow the same location, and we'll not make any noise, and we'll use the proper time. Okay.
Right. Okay. All right. Raj, are you?
Thanks a lot.
Are you working on technical CRM, or are you working on functional?
Functional only.
Okay.
But little sometime I'll put hand in technical also,
All right.
but not in project level. Just I am a functional level.
Okay. So you've been working only in CRM, or were you on SD or some other module earlier?
No. I worked in the CRM and CIC also. That means call center purpose.
Yeah,
Customer
the
interaction
customer
purpose.
interaction center, right?
That application.
Cockpit management and stuff like that.
Yes.
Cockpit management and stuff like that.
All this, that is service.
Okay.
That is again is service.
Okay.
So because no one will work on one department, man. One will work on marketing, one will work on sales,
Yeah, exactly.
one will work
But
on
then,
service, one will
say,
work on
you have
loyalty
to be
management, one will work on
prepared.
TPM, one will work on
Exactly. But then, say, you have to be
You don't know which area you will be
I'll send you the
working
PDFs also here. I'll give material to you PDFs for every.
you don't know which area you will be working on.
Yes.
on. All right. So tomorrow
Okay, mate. Thank you.
we'll have at the same time. Yeah,
All right,
we'll have at the same time, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
We'll have at the same time, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you
All
for
right,
your
Raj.
another chance.
All right, Raj.
What
No
is your
worries.
email ID, Narmi?
Narmi7@yahoo.com.
No worries.
Shall I
Narmi7
ping you on Skype?
at yahoo.com. Shall I ping you on Skype?
Okay, I'm taking it. Narmi7, Narmi, yahoo.com. Okay, I can remember, I hope.
Yeah, it is my name's Ulta. Huh?
Take it.
It is my name's Ulta.
It is Ulta. It is my name is Ulta.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
The organizer has entered